Welcome back to my backyard snack yard. Today I got this little guy at the supermarket. It's a little baby Musa. That's all it says on it. So not very specific. So I have no idea how big it's going to get. But I'm hoping it will stay small, which is kind of silly when you think it's a banana tree. They're usually gigantic. But let's see how it goes. If I keep it in a smallish pot, I might be able to limit its size. It just looked so cute, and I've seen people use them as ornamentals, and they really are so adorable, so lush and so beautiful. And especially when it's this kind of weather, it just kind of feels a bit tropical. I always fancied one of these, so yeah, I saw it at the supermarket and it popped into my trolley. I'm going to go find a little pot for it now. It's also super thirsty, as tends to be happens when you see little plants in the supermarket. They tend to be on the thirsty side. So let's get him potted up and well watered. We're out in a little shaded spot, and it's been soaking up lots of water in that little pot. And I'm just going to move it into this pot, which is only slightly larger than the one that's in it now. I kind of want to encourage it to stay small, obviously, so I can keep it looking cute and have space for it during the winter, because I'll have to keep it somehow out of frosty temperatures. We're already thinking about winter now, even though it's boiling right now. It's so funny, but to plan ahead, I guess. Let's get it potted up. It's got a great little root system. It looks really healthy, and actually it already has a little pup. The pup has a pup. How funny is that? So sweet. So adorable. It should fit nicely into this pot. I'll just empty some of it out and just get it fitted in there nice and neat. So there it is, all potted up. It's had a nice drink, and I think it actually might be liking the weather more than some of the other plants. Right now the temperature is about 34 degrees Celsius, so in the 90s, nice and high, and it's perfect for this little tropical guy. So I've got him in a bit of a shaded spot, which my garden really has lots of. Usually I'm trying to find more sunny spots for my plants, but at the moment it's so bright and sunny and hot that the shaded spots are really quite good, because it means that the plants aren't dying of thirst as much as they would be if they were in bright sunshine. So I've got him here. He can settle in nicely and hopefully enjoy the wonderful weather, and we'll just see how it goes. He could be a gigantic one and he could be a dwarf one. I mean, he was sold as a house plant, so I'm assuming he could be a small one. I'm hoping he's a little dwarf. They get up to be, I think they're supposed to be able to get up to 2 meters, so not super tall. But, you know, time will tell, and we'll see. I'll try to keep him in smallish pots to sort of maintain that small stature there. And I think he's such a cutie, so really happy to have him. So thank you for joining me for this little short video, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.